Well, it's day 2 of the trailer build. I changed a couple things that I've been thinking about all morning. Late start for me. I went in and grabbed some stuff I needed, some stuff I didn't need. And I'll be back with you in a bit. I'm just gonna put some new bolts in here. I got some bolts that fit. And I think I might take the winch cable off, and I got some straps here. I might put a strap on it instead so it has no give. And I'll be back in a bit. So, I took the winch cable off. It was all rotten, probably from sitting for so long. I got a bunch of these straps and everything, and I hooked the strap up to it. Seems to work pretty good. I don't really want to show you guys how good it works until I'm totally done. I'm gonna wire it there now. So I put a winch on my side-by-side, and I had all this left over because I used the original wiring. So I got all the wiring, waterproof switch, the whole deal. So I'm gonna start hooking that up, and I'll bring you back every once in a while because I'm gonna put it all inside this box here, and then I'll mount the switch maybe here someplace where it's easy to get at. It'll still be kind of under that box. The box comes to right here somewhere. So that should work out pretty good. I'll bring you back in a bit. So I got it all wired. I just got to tidy it up yet. Pretty simple to do. I don't know if you can see on the end. Everything's color coded, so it's pretty simple. And I tried it already. I got battery pack hooked up. And I even got the yellow and blue hooked right up on the winch. Believe that. So for sure I was gonna have to change it. So I'll tidy this up, and I'm pretty much done. Once I get it all clean, I'll clean it up, and then I think I might build a box around here, just so when I put my gas and oil and stuff in here, it won't touch any of the wires. And I might even mount the red and the black, maybe stick a bolt through the side or somewhere where I can hook it up easier with the battery pack. I was going to hook it up right to the bike, but if somebody else wants to borrow it, then it'd be kind of a pain for them. So I'll be back in a bit again. And things are going pretty good here today. So far, this is what I got. I had some wood laying around, so I cut it, made it fit really good. Left a little hole here on the side, just in case I wind up putting a battery in here. I have a spot for the cables to go through without running them over and getting all caked or in the way. I just gotta do my switch now, and then bundle all these wires together so they don't rub up on anything. I think I'm just gonna mount the switch in here, then I'll never have to worry about it getting water or anything on it. I'll be back in a bit again. Well, I got her all tidied up. Everything's all wired in there nice, all tied up. I was gonna put some bolts here, but this way it's movable. I can, like I say, if I put a battery in over there, I can move it easy. The switch is mounted, nice and solid. So all I gotta do is close the lid. When the box is down, doesn't matter. The lid kind of stays half up anyways. And then just gotta hit the switch. In is up and out is down, I think. We'll figure it out here in a bit. I'm just gonna clean some stuff up. And when I'm done, I'm gonna come back and I'll hook it up to the side-by-side after I put some stuff away. I'll bring it out and I'll give her a shot, and then you guys can all see what I did. People are gonna say, why would he go to that much trouble to do that? I say, why not? You can kind of see what I got going underneath here. You can see the winch. The strap I put on works excellent. Soon you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Talk to you in a bit. Well, I think that was quite a little project I did there. Worked out pretty good. I got to work tomorrow, so I won't be doing any more videos here for a bit. It's kind of chilly today still. Got the old toque on here. I think my next video, I'm probably going to be doing the pallet shelf thing for under my bench, so I can get a little more organized and I can sit on my bench without knocking everything over. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this one. This one worked out pretty good. Subscribe or do some likes. I'll be still doing videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks a lot.